Oh no, the egg! What? Whoa!
An elephant bird!
Why, she looks just like me. Except for the wings.
And except for the voice, because that's how a bird sings.
Oh, Gertrude, what will I do? I'm slow and I'm fat. All I know is the earth. She'll need so much more than that.
I have wings, yes, I can fly. You teach her earth, and I will teach her sky.
Just call my name, and I'll see you through. One small voice in the universe.
One true friend in the universe.
Who believes in you?
Their adventures were over, and the sky became pink. And then, guess what happened? Well, what do you think? Oh, the things you can think and wonder and dream, far and wide as you dare. When your things have run dry,